Hey guys, so today we're going to talk about LegalZoom and why you probably should consider not working with LegalZoom. Hey, I'm Sam Malai and I'm a business lawyer for entrepreneurs. If you're an entrepreneur and you're looking to start your business, make sure to subscribe to get more videos like this. So the question is, why should you use your LegalZoom and why shouldn't you? And really, what's my LegalZoom review based on? So, first, my LegalZoom review is based on what my past clients have said. So let's take a look. So, essentially, I have a lot of people who contact me after they've engaged with LegalZoom. Usually, these are people who had a hard time communicating with LegalZoom, or people who their filing was not done correctly. And I get these all the time, and I have some screenshots of it on my website. Here we have I started my LLC with LegalZoom, and then they're saying there's a $399 for being a registered agent, and then basically worrying about other fees. Again, registered agent has not been very encouraging and have less confidence than documents emailed to their address will reach me here. And pretty much I get these all the time pretty much on a weekly basis for people who are either upset when they chose LegalZoom or when they had issues communicating with LegalZoom. So that's basically essentially where I'm getting this feedback from, what my past clients are saying. And here's my other observations. My other observation is that every client is different. So LegalZoom offers a very boilerplate kind of service where they kind of they put it right in front of you and it's like a cookie cutter process. But the issue is, in real world practicality, every client is different, and thus you may need a different service depending on your situation. So sometimes LLC is not the best option for you. There could be other things that are probably better. So you always want to make sure that you're getting that personalized service that makes sense for you. Third is what I've noticed about LegalZoom is that one, obviously they spend a lot of money on marketing. They're very good with marketing. They're everywhere, essentially. And what makes them successful, if you look at their business model, is their upsells, where it's very easy, very cheap to get set up initially. But as you go through the order form, there's a lot of upsells, and that's essentially how they make their money. One of those upsells, the most important upsells, is a registered agent service. This is basically a reoccurring revenue for them, and that's the best business model that they want to be in. So don't consider necessarily the cheapest service. Actually, they're making enough money for them to run a big operation and also to spend that much money in marketing. So if you ever see a big company spending a lot of money on marketing, usually it's a good sign that they're making a lot of money. And usually that money is coming from the consumers. And these consumers are essentially spending money on upsells that they don't necessarily have to. Fourth is LegalZoom is not a legal service. And this is very clear from the website. It's posted everywhere on the bottom, usually at the bottom of the website. They're not a legal service. So they cannot offer and answer legal questions. So they're not lawyers, they're not attorneys, and they're not legally allowed to answer legal questions. So imagine you're getting a legal service, but you're not allowed to ask them legal questions. It just doesn't make sense. It's like imagine going to a baker who's never ate cookies before. All right. So always proceed with caution. Here's my advice. Some of the documents and some of the types of things that you can get from LegalZoom and these types of websites can be just fine for certain types of people and certain needs. You get a boilerplate service, template document, whether it be an LLC or operating agreement or some other contracts for your business. And these are sometimes okay for some people. But when it comes to your business, just okay isn't good enough. If you care about your business, which I'm sure you do, your business needs personal attention. Working with a business lawyer over using these sorts of DIY websites for your legal needs is that you'll be working with a real live person one-on-one. We always have our client's best interest in mind as business lawyers. We're ethically inclined to have our client's best interest in mind. We're always aware and make sure that you're aware of things that affect our clients. These companies and websites are not law firms or lawyers who can give advice. They don't have the ethical requirements to really advocate and look out for their clients. That's where the benefit with working with the business lawyer comes in. And that's what we are here for. To make sure that you're going to get taken care of all the time. So if you're looking to start your business, you always have a choice of where you can form it. If you're looking for a very boilerplate kind of service with lots of upsells, then you want to consider LegalZoom. If you're looking to get a very personalized service, make sure you get your legal questions answered up front. Make sure that you're pretty much protected before any problems arise in the future. Then you want to consider working with a business lawyer. If you have any questions, please comment below. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. And if you're looking to start your business, let me know. I'll be happy to answer your questions. Take care.